Here we've got the new Camso CTS conversion track system. So this is a late-stage prototype. The track engineers out of Quebec have been going crazy developing this and bringing new innovations. This is going to be our bolt-on track and undercarriage solution for construction equipment. So this is a bolt-on conversion kit for telescopic handlers, for compact wheel loaders, full-size wheel loaders, mini dumpers, and other sorts of construction equipment. And really, this follows the trend that we've seen for many years now. The whole industry seems to be trending towards tracks and tracked equipment and a little bit away from tires. So luckily with Camso, we've got you covered both ways with tire solutions and track solutions, but this is a broad industry trend. So really when it comes to stability, rigidity, durability, flotation, flat-free operation, tires are hard-pressed to match what a track and a track system can do for you. So this is something that we are really excited about. We're working with OEMs, and there'll be an aftermarket conversion kit system as well. So where do innovations like this come from?